For colonization of Mars, we would require wide variety of equipments to produce food, propellant, water, shelter, energy and breathable oxygen. On Mars, water can be extracted from soil while oxygen can be produced by splitting water into constituent parts of hydrogen and oxygen. There is one more method developed by NASA to produce oxygen. It is called Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, also known as MOKIE, will be used to produce oxygen from the Martian atmosphere for propellants and for breathing. For food, astronauts will try to produce fresh food on Mars, which are likely going to be plants, algae, and insects. Food production will occur under artificial lighting. For emergency cases, there will be storable food from Earth. For shelters, many space agencies have considered building 3D printed houses for living. The 3D printed houses or hive will be able to accommodate astronauts and can be built through 3D printed in situ material gathered from the surface of Mars. It will include basalt and renewable bioplastic. These houses will not only save humans from harmful radiation but can be 3D printed easily and quickly. Once all these resources are available, human settlements can be formed.